Hello guys, if you are Android user and you are using DHL Express and today it's not working or not opening, so this video is for you. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, you should have to open the settings of your phone, and then you should have to open apps and notifications. Once you tap on this, then you should have to tap on apps, and find the DHL Express app and open it, and here tap on storage option and clear the cache and the data. Now go back and tap on force stop and OK. Now go to Google Play Store if you are Android user and App Store if you are iPhone user, and open this app, and here you will see update button option, so update it. So this will fix your problem, but if this not worked for you, then completely uninstall the app and reinstall it again. So this will fix your issue. Hope this will help. So thanks, goodbye.